Hello everybody, this is Alabama Fire Photography, and this is Birmingham Ladder 2, a 2019 Sutphen SPH 100 tower ladder truck. It serves a truck company 2 here in Birmingham, and is currently Birmingham's only platform truck at this time in service. It's good to see these guys again. There's your pump. Actually, no, that's the intakes. Excuse me. And we got the back of the rig. Look at the size of that bucket, boys. It's huge. And she's a Quint too, so she can carry her own water. There's the pump. We're back around to the other side of the rig. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and of course subscribe. As always, have a nice day and stay safe out there, brother.